Okay, hi guys, welcome to another short video lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to say where is the in Bisaya. Okay, where is the, and then you just put the things that you are looking for, the place you're looking for. Okay, where is the after the okay, where is the blank. Okay, just fill in the blanks. In Bisaya, asa ang. Asa ang, okay, asa is where. The ang here is the. Asa ang. Okay, repeat after me. Asa ang. Ang. Okay, asa ang, and then you fill in the blanks. Asa ang, okay, asa ang, where is the, okay, whatever you're looking for. Okay, maybe you're looking for your mouse. Okay, for example, asa ang mouse? Asa ang laptop? Asa ang mall? Asa ang toilet? Asa ang kutsara, your spoon? Asa whatever that is you're looking for, okay? It could be a thing or a place, okay? If you're looking for a person, you don't say asa ang. You use asa si, okay? Si, the subject marker, si. Asa si. If you're looking for a person, thing, or place, you say asa ang. Okay, there you go, guys. Very easy. Okay, visit me, www.cebuano101.com. I'll see you there. See you next Friday for another short video lesson. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and like this video. Bye.